elaborate, beautiful opera stage made of wood. Weicun 牛王庙戏台，这是 This is a Weicun village. Niuwang Miao, Temple of Ox King. Wei Da Yuan Guo Zhi Yuan Nian, that is year of 1321. Opera stage of Niuwang Temple, the second oldest wooden opera stage in China. 1321, over 700 years old. 4 huge pieces of log as the cross beams and wooden brackets to support the entire roof, which is made of tiles. Whenever their wish were granted by the Ox King, or even on Ox King's birthday, all the villagers would come here and to invite an opera troupe and to perform opera on this stage for the Ox King. And villagers would come to join and to share the joy of the king. This opera stage also is a clear evidence that in Yuan dynasty, the opera show already got very popular in Shanxi province. Over 16 Yuan dynasty opera houses in China, I think most of them, I don't know how many, more than 80% are in Shanxi province today. This shows how much people love the opera shows here in Shanxi, my hometown. And until today, the local villagers still hold this temple fair to commemorate the Niuwang's birthday. And this is the Xiandian offering hall. And the main hall. Wow, this offering hall has a beautiful carved caisson ceiling as well. Just as elaborate as the opera stage. 三王，对，三王，药王、牛王在居中，马王爷3只眼。I'm so glad I drove all the way here. And this temple makes me feel that people in Shanxi are so religious in old times. They have a variety of deities to enshrine, to venerate. This is not common in China. You would always see in Shanxi, so this is a place people with such a strong belief, good behavior leads to good next life, and bad behavior leads the way to the hell. Even the earthquake, natural disasters like earthquake couldn't destroy people's belief. So the building collapsed after earthquake, but soon the people in Shanxi rebuilt them and keep renovating the God who protect them for centuries or millenniums. This is such a good thing to have a strong belief. And I love the people in Shanxi. I'm so proud to be born in Shanxi province. And thank you for watching. I will keep bringing you more videos in Shanxi.